Top brands compared and reviewed. Hi there. Welcome back to our channel My Mum's Choice. When it comes to breast pumps, there are several popular brands that offer different features and options to meet the needs of breastfeeding mothers. Here are some of the best brands along with their pros, cons. Medela. Pros: Medela is a well-known and trusted brand, offering a wide range of breast pump options. They have electric, manual, and hospital-grade pumps available. Their pumps are known for their efficiency and strong suction power. They also have a range of accessories and spare parts. Cons: Medela pumps can be on the pricier side compared to other brands. Some users find them a bit noisy and the parts can be challenging to clean. Spectra. Pros: Spectra pumps are known for their quiet operation and customizable settings. They have strong suction power and offer different modes and levels of intensity. They also have a closed system design, which helps to prevent milk contamination. Cons: Spectra pumps may not be as widely available as other brands, and their accessories can sometimes be harder to find. The learning curve for setting up and using the pump may be steeper for some users. Lansinoh. Pros: Lansinoh offers both electric and manual breast pumps at affordable prices. Their pumps are lightweight, portable, and easy to use. They have a hygienic closed system design and offer comfortable pumping with adjustable suction levels. Cons: Some users have reported that the suction power of Lansinoh pumps is not as strong as other brands. The pump parts may wear out more quickly with frequent use. Philips Avent. Pros: Philips Avent pumps are known for their comfort and gentle suction. They have a massage cushion feature that helps stimulate milk flow. The pumps are easy to assemble, clean, and operate. They also offer a range of pump models to choose from. Cons: Some users find the suction to be weaker compared to other brands. The pump may be louder during operation, and the availability of spare parts and accessories can vary. Willow. Pros: Willow is a brand that offers wearable, hands-free breast pumps. They are designed to fit inside a bra, allowing moms to pump discreetly and continue with their daily activities. The pumps are quiet, easy to use, and offer mobile app connectivity for tracking pumping sessions. Cons: Willow pumps are on the higher end of the price range. The bags used for collecting milk can be expensive, and some users find them less convenient for cleaning and assembly. Finding the perfect breast pump is all about discovering what works best for you. Remember, everyone's needs and preferences are different, so take your time and explore different options. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to find the right one. The important thing is to keep searching until you discover the pump that makes your breastfeeding journey a breeze. Stay tuned for more exciting related videos coming your way. Please share your feedback with us. It's helpful for other new parents also. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, My Mum's Choice, for more mother product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Love you all.